The world is loud. Your mind is louder. Right now, somewhere between the deadlines, distractions, and daily noise, you've forgotten to breathe. But not just any breath, the breath that brings you back to yourself. The breath that heals. The breath that silences the chaos. And in just 5 minutes, we're going to find that breath together. Before we begin, gently close your eyes, let your hands rest loosely, drop your shoulders, and just arrive here. This is your moment. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently. 2, 1, and slowly let it go through your mouth. Let's repeat. Inhale calm. Hold peace. Exhale the weight. As your breath deepens, feel your mind slowing down. Feel the thoughts getting quieter. You're not running away from stress, you're rewiring how you meet it. Say silently, I am here. With every exhale, I am safe. I am here. I am safe. Let those words anchor you. You are not your stress. You are not your thoughts. You are the stillness watching them. Place your hand over your heart. Feel that? It's the reminder that you've survived 100% of your worst days. And this breath is the power you've always had. You're not broken. You're just busy. Too busy to remember the power of stillness. Start to gently move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, open your eyes. But don't just return. Return with presence. Return with peace. Return with the kind of clarity only 5 mindful minutes can give. If this helped you even a little, imagine what 5 minutes a day can do to your life. Subscribe for daily calm. Like this video to remind yourself you matter. Comment, I choose peace if you're starting this journey with me. And share this with someone who needs to breathe again. Your breath is your power.